Here's another short setup video. In this particular case, I'm looking at foreign exchange. It's an hourly chart of the cable, and we'll notice a bit of a head and shoulder pattern forming here, where we've got the shoulder, the head, and we're just starting to see perhaps if we're going to have a shoulder pattern forming. Notice the key levels are certainly prominent. You've got the 148.5, the 149.5 being key levels where the price is moving off. And as we move forward, we can see that we're really trying to test this 149.5 level, being the previous shoulder, the neckline, if you will. And what we're noticing here just in the last couple of hours is notice how we've got these long upper wicks. So all these daily ranges here have long wicks or candlesticks or sort of pin bars, tweezer tops, whatever you want to call them, towards the top, which is indicating that yes, the price has moved there, but the price has been rejected at those levels, and the bears have certainly regained control. The people wanting to go short the cable to restrict this movement higher have certainly gained control several hours in a row there, and again just reinforcing the significance of the 149.5 level. And as we move forward here, you can see again that level being tested, and as we're just starting to move away, we're now starting to have the shoulder forming to really complete this head and shoulder pattern. So based on that, there's really only one way I want to trade this, and that is to go short, because I want to see a key break below the 148.5 level. Now some may have decided to perhaps be a little bit more aggressive and trade this nice reversal pattern here, and have enjoyed a nice few hours there. But to me, the key is the 148.5. You can see there again, key support again. However, now we've seen a clear break below that key level of 148.5, and as we move forward in time here, we can see how, and I'll just move the chart down for you. We can see how that level has become quite key, and now we've broken through there, and see how it's really moved quite strongly lower. And in fact, as you can see, I need to move the screen even lower here for you to see how quickly that's broken down really strongly. Even throughout here, you would have been keen on seeing this rejection of the continual downward pressure, the sellers, the bears really in control here. However, these again long wicks down the bottom, reinforcing that there is some strength, there is some bulls in there pretty keen to buy in. However, again, this little pattern here is a classic short-term reversal signal. It's like an engulfing, an outside day key reversal signal, confirmation on this bar. So even if you hadn't traded short all throughout this time here, again you've got another signal to go short, and again you would have picked up quite a lot of pips there along the way, all going short, all originating really from the head and shoulder pattern that I identified up the top here. Key level there at 148.5, and a key breakthrough there, and really the rest was history. You can even see up through here it tried to test that 148.5, but the previous support level became resistance. Again, just simple support and resistance, even on this time frame, an hourly chart, and you can see how you can identify very key reversal signals, key levels, which can help you set up a simple trading strategy just to trade a few major pairs, and in this case the cable. If you have any questions or comments about what I've just spoken about, perhaps some patterns in there that you like to trade yourself or have seen and to be quite effective, please feel free to post your comments below, and we can generate some discussion on this very simple strategy.